Alright, I am at Hobby Lobby. Let's check out some die-cast, see what they got here. It's a nice Chevy Camaro tuned. Got some Matchbox, Subaru, Audi. There's a Ford Roadster. That's a nice Lamborghini Majorette. Doesn't look like there's too much today. That's a cool one. Nice Johnny Lightning. That one's a cool Shelby Cobra. Nice Corvette. There's a nice Coke. Always like the M2 Coca-Colas. RoboCop. That's cool. Transporter. That's cool, Bentley. That's a nice Ford Deluxe. I like the purple. That's cool. That's cool. Green light. Mercury 8. That one's cool. There's a Ford Super Deluxe. That one's cool. Some Mustang. There's a Cuda. Mustang. Camaro. Looks like that's all they got here. That's a cool M2. Ford. That's a cool one. Ford Bronco. There's a classic 57 Chevy Bel Air. They got the A-Team. Green light. Some M2s. $10, $9.99. Kind of pricey. That's cool. Alright, so that's all they got here, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Talk to the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.